Welcome to my channel Tech Easy Learning. Today we are going to see some more options in the grep command. First, we are going to search the lines which start with the given string or pattern. Okay, we are going to find out the lines which start with the given string. We are going to give one word and that start with the we are going to search for the line that start with the given word. Okay, I'm going to use one file called test. This test file contains two lines. One is this is my first Linux session and Linux is easy to learn. I want to find out the line which start with the word Linux. Yeah. See, here we are having only one line. Okay, that is Linux is easy to learn. So it displays that line because it starts with the word Linux. Okay. Here, that caret symbol, okay, that is called as caret symbol, is the regular expression pattern specifies the start of the line. Okay. If it is end of the line, we have to use the dollar. Okay. We will see that also now. See here, a dollar should be specified at the end of the word. We are going to find out the line that contains the word learn at the last of the line. That means it ends with the word learn. Okay, we have to find out those lines that ends with the word learn. But I have given the dollar symbol at the beginning. It should not be like that. We have to give the dollar symbol at the end of the word learn. See, now it displays the line that ends with the word learn and it highlights that word learn also. Okay, this is the way you have to find out the this is the way how to find out the that required that string pattern. Okay, whatever the things, whether it starts at the beginning of the line, okay, and the particular word at the beginning of the line or particular word at the end of the line. Okay, you can use the grep in this way. So these are all some of the options that can be used along with the this grep command. We will see some more options like this. For example, if you want to list all the directories in that Unix box, what you will do normally? There is no any command for that. If you put dir, it won't display anything. It displays only files only. If you put dir, it won't display the directories. Okay, I think we are inside the test file. Sorry, inside the directory study. I want to come out of it. See, here there are two directories I have created, learn and study, but it displays all. ls minus l, if I put, it displays all the files along with the directories. But I want to display only the directory means there is no specific command. You have to work out one small code. You have to write one some trick is there. You have to attach one single line of code, then you can easily you can get that result. Okay. Already I have told that caret symbol represents the start of the line. Here, the start of the line, if it begins with the letter D, then we have to display it. LS minus L, we are pipelining it, and GREP, that the what that is short with the letter D. So it highlights the letter D. This is list of directories. If it start with the letter D, then that is the directory. So there are two directories. Now it is getting displayed. The two directories now it is getting displayed. I think you are clear now. For displaying the directories, that has no direct command. You have to use like this only. Thanks. Bye. We will see in the next video with some more options like this. Okay. The grep.